Okay, everyone, welcome back to Premier Estate Investing. Great to have you. So today we're going to be looking a little bit at Charles Schwab. They offer a product that helps us build in some currency diversification within our portfolios. If you've been listening to Ray Dalio, Peter Schiff, those two gentlemen are very outspoken as far as how important it is to get out of the dollar. Now, Schiff doesn't love Bitcoin or cryptos. He's pretty outspoken about that. The folks at Bridgewater have been a little bit more, considering the idea. They've done a number of reports on it recently. So you can see here I have my account, $200. I'm just going to go ahead and trade currencies here. And so what I'll do is I'll just put in this order. I'll sell these, and I'm going to buy yen today. Okay, and we'll do the whole $200. And yeah. So let's see what kind of exchange rate they give for us. And just whip out the little handy dandy iPhone calculator, 932 divided by 200. So they're going to give us 109.66. Currently, this is the exchange rate, 110.80. And one thing that's interesting, this is the 1 year chart. I'll try to zoom in a little bit on this. So what we have, $1 US equals 110 Japanese yen. And this is the 1 year chart. And so we've seen that, it has come up. If we look at the 5 year range, so buying here at 110 is a little bit of a gamble. I'll look at a couple articles that banks in Asia have given estimates about 107 yen down to like 105 yen. So they're expecting like a downward move in the second half of this year. But if it continues to move in the same direction up against me, then if I want to convert back to dollars, right, I would have to spend more of my yen for each dollar that I want to buy, because it's, I'm buying up here in the future. Today I'm buying here, but if I want to convert back, I have to take this bad exchange rate. I guess you could say it like that, okay? But we could look at a lot of these other currencies. If you look at if we look at the euro really quick. So because we're at this almost 5 year low, you would expect the price is going to bounce back in this direction here, which would be not good if you want to convert back, right? If you want to convert back to dollars, you bought here and you have to convert back when the price is more expensive, that's not going to be ideal, right? So you'd like to kind of buy high and then convert back when it's lower. So I'm going to go and look really quick before I put in this purchase of the different, so Hong Kong dollar, the krone, euro, GBP, AED, and CAD. All right, so let's go look at those real quick. Okay, this is the 5 year chart. This is the 1 year chart. So again, trending up, but with a recent downturn. What else do we have? We had AUD. Okay, so kind of toward a 1 year low. Yeah, more towards a 5 year low. Let's go look at the CAD from Canada. Just kidding, you guys. Oh, good night. So this we would definitely expect based on historical rates. So here again, against the Canadian dollar, we see that the dollar is really weakened, meaning that if I give up $1, I get a lot less Canadian dollars than I used to get. Again, if we were back up in this range, I'd be getting a lot more per US dollar that I sacrifice, right? And so we would expect that trend to, I'd say, bounce back, depending upon, historical averages. So based on this, there's definitely an argument to say this would not be a good time to convert to Canadian dollars. I'm not going to get very many for each US dollar that I sacrifice, right? Which is why I was thinking, okay, let's go back to the yen. This has at least a chance, that this trend breaks and it comes back down here, so that when I'm having my 109 or 110 yen, that it'll only cost me like 100 and maybe 5 in the future. Why 105? Well, this little article for the Japanese yen forecast for 2021. What it basically says is the ANZ is most pessimistic with the exchange from US dollars to yen to remain about 107. So we're at 110. They think it's going to go down to 107. Westpac believes the currency will be around 105. The NAB is the most optimistic, but they don't tell us what it is. Okay, so one thing to be aware of is the fees associated with your brokerage. So here you can see all the online fees if you place it like we were doing. If you call in and have someone help you, it's maybe 3 times as much, it looks like. Basically about 3 times as much, you could say. So I'm going to cancel that one since it's about $18 US just on the conversion. It's not on the conversion, these are the conversion fees, percentage based on how much money you're converting. But based on I guess these are other fees, associated fees. So we'll go to trade, we'll go to order status, and then we'll swap this from stocks to currency. And then we'll just cancel this one, since that would be almost like a 10% loss to lose $18 on a $200 transaction. So converting to pounds is about $12. Okay. So 8, and they want to charge us 160. So that's $20. So it's pretty expensive unless you're going to convert a lot of money all at once. So I think what we'll do for this video is we'll just buy the Canadian dollar, since it says there's no charge on it. Let's see what kind of rate they give us. So 243. 123, and they're going to give us 121.69. So if we go to the max, I guess it's possible it could go lower. This is 2003. Okay, so we're going to do it. Okay, so we'll place the order for $100,000 converted. So since we did a whole $200, then that'll be our 1% fee. Okay, so then what you can do, you can see you can buy, this is Cameco, the uranium miner, on the Toronto Exchange in Canadian. It's trading at $24.50 a share. So we'll do a limit. We'll do 10 shares, $24. So everything else is the same, you know, I mean, there's no real big difference there. You're just placing the trade on a local exchange in the local currency. Okay, well at this time, since I haven't purchased the Canadian dollars, obviously I can't put in an order for the trade, but that's basically how it works. Okay, well thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully get some more insights, tips, and trades about how to trade, different strategies, different theories when it comes to stock market investing. Until then, take care.